You beating up on children now, Christine?
Oh my gosh, that's not really what happened.
That's Christine Trifunovic.
Who?
You spot her paddle.
That is her.
Christine, court 3 is open, and yeah, I don't know what you're doing, but we'd love to get a match in for fun.
Boom! Nice shot, Jay.
I guess I can play until my friend comes. Hi, Shauna.
What is this viral video of some rec player kicking your butt, Christine?
Oh my god.
Oh, don't go. You can still catch up. It's only 4-0.
That's Christine Trifunovic.
Do not ever go back to those courts, ever again.
Oh!
That was a little rough.
Do you hear me?
Hey, Hans.
Christine, we need to talk with you now.
She hasn't seen the video. You haven't seen it?
What video?